Do you have a website? Or do you build landing pages to sell products, services, or affiliate offers? Then you must agree with us on one thing. You have a great product or a highly in-demand service. Now, what's the first option that comes to your mind in order to take this out and sell it? Simple. You must build a website or a landing page that converts, right? But 95% of visitors leave your website and never come back again for two primary reasons. One, there's a ton of information and links on your website, so they're not sure what to do next. They get lost and you lose them forever. And two, you don't know how to give them a personalized feel and keep them connected to your brand. Did you know that 80% of consumers do business with a company that offers a personalized experience? Now you're stuck and don't know how to move forward and build a website or landing page that converts. Money is wasted, time is wasted, and you feel like life has come to a standstill. So, 85% of the entrepreneurs drop their business and dreams within just their first year of starting. Now, what if I told you that you can overcome this in the next 10 minutes without knowing anything about coding, design, or any tech skill, and without hiring anyone to do it for you? Hi, it's Dave here from Team.com.pal, and to help you out with all of this, we've decided to cut through the clutter and present a solution that turns your website, blog, funnel, or landing page into personalized engagement, leads, and sales magnets by just copying and pasting one line of code. Proudly presenting MaxConvert. It has never been easier to engage visitors on your website and your client's website and guide them in the right direction to convert them into sales as a main goal. Now you can relax. MaxConvert does it for you easy and fast. It combines the power of 5 apps in one central dashboard to build and publish personalized sticky bars, splash screens, pop-ups, countdown timers, and notification boxes in just 4 easy steps. So, with MaxConvert, you get everything Max. Max personalization, max engagement, max sales, max profits, and max life. In just 4 simple steps, turn any website, blog, or landing page into a personalized engagement, leads, and sales magnet. Step 1. Choose a proven converting and DFY template. You get hundreds of ready-to-use notification templates to choose from according to your goals. They're beautiful and built only to get you more conversions and sales. Step 2. Edit your template with a drag and drop what you see is what you get editor. It gives you complete freedom to create a campaign for any goal. You can add or edit anything: text, video, images, countdown timers, and more. It's easy and fast. Step 3. Make it personalized. Get more conversions. This advanced AI-based targeting first helps you understand user behavior, and then it shows your best offers to the targeted audience. You can show your message according to geolocation, time spent on site, cart abandonment, any URL visit, and much more. Step 4. Copy, paste, and profit. Now, copy the one line of code and paste it on your websites, pages, blogs, or funnels and see leads and sales flowing in like a pro. So, what do you do online? MaxConvert helps you boost your engagement, sales, and your life. Are you an info product seller? Engage maximum visitors on your ebook or training sales pages or blog with personalized notifications and get them hooked for life. Are you a freelancer, agency, or selling services to clients? Sell more services and attract more clients by showing your portfolio, recommending your best service pack, offering discount coupons when they're most engaged, create scarcity using countdown timers, and get more clients like never before. Do you run an e-com or Shopify store? Recommend products, show time-based discount coupons, and show them the product they left in their cart on their last visit to close the maximum number of sales. Isn't it super awesome? And that's not all. You can do much more. Are you an affiliate marketer or blogger? Show the best offers suited to every visitor's needs according to content category. Grab more leads and affiliate link clicks. Are you a coach or consultant? Generate more appointments, sell more training sessions, nurture your audience, and get more and more high-paying clients. Are you a local business owner? Get maximum exposure to your top in-demand service, generate more leads, and sell more services and products locally. Let's see what makes MaxConvert a cut above the rest. MaxConvert allows you to show personalized notifications to your visitors when they're hyper-engaged and increase sales and revenue. With MaxConvert, the sky is the limit. Generate more webinar registrations, get maximum social sharing and targeted social traffic, and boost your customer relationships by showing the best training videos. You'll get hundreds of DFY templates with a fully drag-and-drop, ultra-fast and easy, what you see is what you get pop-up editor to create campaigns for any goal or any niche with just a few clicks. We have designed it to be completely newbie-friendly to accomplish tasks at a pro level. Easily and effortlessly add images, your logo, any video, call to action buttons, headline text, social media icons, forms, countdown timers, offers and discount coupons, engaging shapes, fonts, customizable colors, links, elements, and much more. Get precise analytics to know your numbers and find out what's performing well and what simply is not working. And what makes it even more powerful? MaxConvert works easily with all website and landing page building platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, Wix, ClickFunnels, Magento, Leadpages, Unbounce, WooCommerce, and almost any website that's built with plain HTML. There's also more than 50 other cool features in store for you. Well, that's something incredible, and surely with MaxConvert, your growth prospects are truly endless. Just build your first notification campaign with MaxConvert, and it will do the rest for you 24/7. Even while you're watching your favorite web series on Netflix, fishing with your family near the bay, letting yourself loose on the dance floor, or watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. No installation, no coding or designing, and no other techie stuff required. In just 4 easy steps, turn your website and pages into personalized leads and sales magnets. It's easy, fast, and built with love. It's your ultimate business opportunity, as you also get a limited time commercial license to provide highly in-demand services and charge monthly or yearly to your clients. And I'm sure all of this will completely blow your mind. On top of all that, what if doing everything was just as easy as pushing a button without having high-end technical skills or breaking the bank? Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on complicated and recurring platforms. MaxConvert has everything you need. So, what are you waiting for? There is simply no competition of MaxConvert at any price. Once you see the value it delivers in terms of freeing up your time and boosting your sales and your life. Right now, MaxConvert is available for a one-time price without any limitations for this special charter launch. And after that, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you're getting a commercial license, meaning you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for a top-notch trending solution. This is a massive opportunity to add additional income each month. Go for this one-time investment. It's fully covered by your money-back guarantee. The clock is ticking, so click on the button below and get instant access to MaxConvert for this one-time low price before it returns to its higher monthly recurring cost. Once again, I'm Dave, and on behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh and Team .com/Pal, I want to congratulate you in advance for your success. The .com/Pal team is waiting to welcome you inside your exclusive members area and to assist you in boosting your sales